Hey, what's going on today, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing the AMD Radeon VII video card. This one's a gold edition. So yeah, anyway, it's really exciting because it does feature, as you can see on the back here, 7 nanometer. It's the first video card in the world to feature 7 nanometer technology, and in addition, it also has 1 terabyte per second of memory bandwidth. It uses the HBM2 memory, which gives it that amazing potential. So yeah, first of all, I'll just show you the box. Come up nice and close to the screen here. So yeah, right, I'll just turn the light off so there's no glare. Anyway, so first of all, here's the front. Yeah, now here's one side. And here's the other side. So celebrating 50 years of innovation. Pretty crazy how this company's been around for that long. Then yeah, here's the back. The bottom. All the cool information right here. There's the avatar specs. Here's a little sneak peek of what the card does look like. Kind of weird how it's called the gold edition, yet it's red. Just going to position the camera nice so it can show pretty well when I unbox it. So yeah, turn the light on here. Get a nice, yeah, there we go. So yeah, the cardboard, the exterior cardboard, visually it looks nice, but it's really thin. So I know AMD, for example, they're making this card because of the high cost of the HBM2 memory. It's my understanding that it actually costs AMD more to produce a card than what they're selling it for. So you can tell right away they've cut corners just because this packaging is it feels so incredibly cheap. And yeah, under that layer is this, you can see this cardboard box here. Alright, so before I open show the card, the card's in here. Just want to see what's in this little box here. You guys see that? So the big piece of paper. You guys can give that a quick read. Just talks about the hazardous materials involved in the card. That's probably part of the reasons why the HBM2 memory is so expensive. Yeah, here's just a little pamphlet, I guess, for the warranty and all. Yeah, a lot of languages, a lot of stuff I don't feel like reading. Next booklet, it appears to be I guess international, whatever that means, international compliance information. I guess some more BS stuff. Oh, this is cool. This is a sticker for AMD's, show that with no glare, 50 years, and it has not a real signature, like a copy of the CEO Lisa Su's signature on the sticker. Pretty neat. And here's the part cart, you guys. So I've been waiting for unpackaging the graphics card itself. Let's put this box down. You guys shouldn't be seeing this. Should be seeing this. All right. Really, I should be cutting that with scissors. All right, awesome. So this is a card. It doesn't even have a PCI shield, so you can. That's how cheap AMD was in all the accessories. Anyway, so the card, as you can see, it's visually red. Reminds me of Pokemon. How there's that Ruby game, Pokemon Ruby version. Anyway, getting off topic here. So the front, there are 3 fans. 1, 2, 3. Unfortunately, these already have the standard Radeon VII, and the fans unfortunately are fixed speed, so they don't have the ability to not spin at all when the computer's on idle, which I think all video cards should be like that. But yeah, it's another one of the cheap how AMD cut corners to make this card. The construction though, nice strong aluminum. Not like those cheap plastic ones. Just looking for something I can tap it against. I'm gonna use my phone here. Yeah, you guys. Let's bring it to my microphone so you guys can hear that. Really solid aluminum there. So yeah, the business and the 4 ports appears to be. I'm just going to turn the light off so there's no glare. So I'm counting 1 HDMI and 3 display ports, so you can comfortably run 4 monitors with this video card. Then yeah, here's the Radeon logo that lights up. Unfortunately, you can't control the LEDs on this card, so it's going to be fixed glowing red for this. Yeah, here's the power connectors. Just gonna turn the light on again. Just gonna focus in on that. There we go. So yeah, it has 2 8-pin power connectors. So this card has a TDP of, I believe, is 295 watts. Yeah, this is a really power hungry card. Yeah, again, the back side, you can see it. Again, it carries out its solid back plate to the back of the aluminum construction. And yeah, that's about it. The card visually though, it's hard to explain. It doesn't look it doesn't look like it looks boring, and yet it looks cool because of how solid the build is. Hard to explain. But yeah, nice big heat sink underneath as well. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you made it this far in the video. I'm gonna have a lot of fun playing around with this card. I hear it can mine at up to 100 mega hash per second with Ethereum. So I mean, there's endless potential of what this card can do, especially with high bandwidth memory, as I mentioned earlier. 1 terabyte per second is incredible. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and hope best of luck in your future PC builds. Goodbye now.